In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we took a brand new company from zero all the way to 3 million a year in just a year and a half. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more about me and my agency here. For today's video, I'm going to share my screen, show you a case study from a software as a service SaaS business that we helped scale from 0 to 3 million a year, and they continue to grow each month. So right here is going to be an example of a landing page that we created for them. Now, for privacy reasons, I can't show the exact software that we worked with. If we sign an NDA, I can go ahead and share that with you from here. But I want to show you that this is an example of a software as a service landing page that gets high conversion rate. What we want to do is focus on getting a conversion at the very top page. Next, I'm going to show you the return on investment from the ads that we set up and the example ads that we created, as well as even the YouTube videos that we show when somebody searches. Now, if you want the full system that I share with you today, make sure to comment system down below and somebody from my team will send it over to you. It shows the landing pages, ads, and I think most importantly, the retargeting. So it all starts with keyword research. What are the keywords your ideal customer would be typing into Google, would be searching for on Meta, X, or LinkedIn, and then how you're going to follow up and retarget with them. So how we started was we started off with ads on Google and Meta retargeting as well as X. And you can see we generated just 300 clicks, spent about 3,400 in ads, and got 6 conversions. Well, the nice part is we actually were able to be profitable in month 1 because we built the system first. So we really took about 6 weeks to build out the system. And when I say the system, I mean building out the landing pages, building out ads and the ad creatives, and researching exactly what somebody would type into YouTube to find this video. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to start scaling from there. So you can see that we started pushing and we 4x'd our costs and we started running ads on every single platform. Month 1, we just focused on Google. Now we're focused on Google, YouTube, Meta, X, and LinkedIn. From there, you can see we return a 7.95 return on ad spend. Now, not every business is going to be successful like this, but the reason this business was successful for a few reasons. It's a great business model, help people. They provide educational content that we were able to use in ads, and we also built that system in return. So what happens is after somebody fills out this form, what we do is we send them automated emails that cover each part of the features that they offer. Now, we set up a series of 24 automation emails to make sure that no one ever forgets about them. And they're all strategic. What we want to do in those emails is show all the features they offer. We want to show all the integrations and comparison charts, other softwares and other competitors. We want to tell them exactly why we're better than our competitors and why they should get signed up. And then we show them reviews and case studies from other people that have used the software there. Now, what this starts doing is starts generating more content, more people in our pixels so we can retarget them, and more trust from the people that came in from Google. So as soon as somebody searches for our keyword, which we spend a lot of time researching, what is that exact keyword that somebody would be typing into Google and what makes us different? Why should they sign up with us? So what we do is we optimize the Google ad account with retargeting in pixels and also do keyword research to find the ideal search terms. Once we start finding those search terms, what we do is we take those keywords and we copy and paste them and put them back in our landing page. So now if somebody searches something like Best Finance App 2025, we switch this and split test the title to Best Finance App 25. So now we're going to have multiple landing pages with multiple keywords, but based on the exact search term somebody searched for on Google. Now, the next thing we want to do is start the retargeting because not everyone's ready to sign up and pay you after seeing your Google ad. So after they see your Google ad, land on your landing page, what we want them to do is start seeing your YouTube videos. So next time they're on YouTube, they're going to see you on their tablet, they're going to see you on their mobile phone, they're going to see you on the desktop, and we're not going to be one of those annoying ads. We're going to be an educational ad as a featured ad to get them to learn more and build a better relationship. Additionally, we're going to start showing your ads on Instagram. We started showing them on X as well, and even Facebook. But what we want to do is say, hey, we already know you probably came to our website from this Google ad. Here's some additional ads to remind you to come back. Now, what we see is it takes somebody an average of 24 times on 3 different platforms to trust you. So using these ads, we're going to slowly start spending more here to build up our audience so you can see that our clicks continue to go up. And then we can actually start spending less and filter back down because now we have an audience that we're retargeting and reminding them to actually buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some conversions. 6 out of 300 convert here, but some of these 300 will end up converting in month 2, month 3, month 4, and even month 5. So you can see how many conversions we started receiving, but now we have enough clicks and enough people, enough data in there to actually start spending less as our ads continue to grow while also keeping our ROAS ROAS up to continue growing the account. And you can see this is the case study from February 2024 as a brand new company to where they're at now and their averages month over month here. So I hope this video brought you some value, brought you some clarity on what you can do for your business and your brand. But I want to encourage you to start focusing on building the system first. That way you get better results from the ads, and you always need to have that follow-up retargeting placements ready to go so people never forget. What I see a big mistake is people send traffic to the homepage and then they leave and they never follow up. That means you wasted that money on that initial ad. We see the conversions come with the follow-up 1 month, 2 months, 3 months later, and that's really key. So if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this marketing and advertising stuff that I talk about, you can check out this playlist here. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.